Hello friends, good morning. So we are studying the specific defense mechanism. Under the specific defense mechanism, in last lecture we studied the antigen. Now in this particular lecture, let us see what is antibody. All of you know that when a foreign antigen enters into the body, that antigen, suppose this is antigen, it was presented to the two types of cell, B cell or T cell. These are the immune cells. These cells carry the receptors for different types of the antigen. Here what happens, this T cell or B cell, on this T or B cell that antigen was presented, suppose it was presented to the B cell gets sensitized due to the attachment of antigen on the cell surface. B cell gets sensitized, and that sensitized B cell immediately proliferate into the two types of cell. One type of the cell is called as plasma blast cell. This is the plasma blast cell, and another cell is called as memory cell. This is your memory cell. This is your memory cell. So there is formation of plasma blast cell, memory cell. The role of memory cell, it is immunological memory during the second immune response. That is when same antigen, after first immune response, if same antigen enters into the body, then immediately all this will not happen. Immediately during the second attack of the same antigen, memory cell gets stimulated, and immediately, instantly, this memory cell produce the antibody. In first immune response, there is presentation, sensitization, proliferation, and then this plasma blast cell produces antibodies. नंतर ह्या काय करतात, antibodies तयार करतात. Now and that antibody react with the antigen. So that is called as the specific immune response. To produce the antibody, body will take 3 to 4 days. 2, 3 or 4 days will require. Meanwhile, your antigen will get proliferate. समजा हा साल्मोनेला टायफीचा antigen असेल तर तोपर्यंत हा इकडे मल्टिप्लाय होत राहील. So production of antigen is also there and antibody is also there. Once there is antibody formation is there, this antibody react with antigen and destroy that antigen. So that is the specific immune response. And here in this particular lecture, we will see the antibody. What is antibody? Now this antibody is the present in, especially present in serum and body fluid. So these are the serum protein. These are globular protein. The nature of that globular protein is globulin. It is globulin or albumin protein. Globulin or albumin, all of you know that these proteins are present in milk as well as egg, and that's why milk and egg boost our immunity, because these are the source of albumin and globulin is the protein which forms our antibody, or that is the antibody protein. Here, as you know, antibody has role in the immune response. This one is the immune response, and as these antibodies has role in the immune response, these globulin proteins are called as immunoglobulin. The word is immunoglobulin. What is this? Immuno for and protein having role in the immunity, and globulin is the nature of protein. So antibodies are also called as immunoglobulin. Antibodies dusra naam काय आहे? Immunoglobulin, or it is also called as a standard abbreviation is IG. That's a standard abbreviation काय IG. Now here when these antibodies are formed in the body, when they are secreted, ते जेव्हा secret होतात body मध्ये, initially they are called as immunoglobulin. त्याला immunoglobulin म्हणतात. When it react with antigen, जेव्हा ते antigen शी react होतात, after reacting with the antigen, they are called as antibody. जेव्हा react होतील antigen शी तेव्हा त्याला antibody म्हणणार आहे. पण जोपर्यंत ते react होत नाहीत कुठल्याही antigen शी तोपर्यंत त्यांना immunoglobulin म्हणतात. Now let us see the structure of this antibody. Antibodies are Y-shaped protein. Their structure is Y-shaped structure. Their structure consists of different properties. वेगवेगळे properties आहेत, characters आहेत. कुठले कुठले characters आहेत? तर these characters are, antibodies is the globular protein which consists of two types of the polypeptide. It consists of two polypeptide chain. These two polypeptide chains are heavy chain and light chain. Heavy chains are having high molecular weight chain, and light chain having low molecular weight chain. This heavy chain and light chain forms the Y-shaped structure like this. Suppose this is a heavy chain. This is the heavy chain, and this one is the, we will draw this heavy chain structure like this. These are the two heavy chains of the antibody, and two light chains are also there. These are the light chains. So that is how antibody is the Y-shaped structure. Antibody has Y-shaped structure. Now here, as it is polypeptide, and all of you know that polypeptide chain, आपण FY study केले, polypeptide chain has two ends. One end carries the amide group and another end carries the carboxyl group. Here the end, this end of the antibody carries the carboxyl end free. So this is C terminus end. See here the group of the amino acid free is carboxyl group. It is called as C terminus end. C terminus end, and this end is carries the amide group, NH2 group. So it is called as N terminus end. या बाजूला जे आहे ते N terminus end आहे, N terminus end. Yes, C terminus, N terminus. Here the sequence of amino acid in this region. इथून पुढचा जो sequence आहे, the sequence of amino acid from this region. इथून एवढा sequence. This sequence is always constant. So this region is called as constant region. त्याला म्हणतात constant region. And here the sequence of amino acid in this particular region, इकडून पुढचा जो sequence आहे, this region amino acid is changing, and that's why it is called as variable region. त्याला म्हणतात variable region. Yes, which are the constant region? Constant region is this one is the constant region. ह्या लाईन पासून पलीकडे आहे तो constant region, आणि ह्या लाईन पासून लेफ्ट ला आहे तो variable region. So variable and constant regions are there. This portion of the in the constant region, this portion is called as FC portion of the antibody. Why it is called as FC portion? Because when we digest this protein by the pepsin enzyme, pepsin is the proteolytic enzyme. If we digest this protein by FC pepsin protein, then this region was crystallized. There is formation of small segments in this of this part, and that's it is called as FC region. And this portion is called as left side portion is called as FAB portion. FAB portion, FAB fragment. FAB fragment means fragment which bind antigen. Antigen binding fragment. FAB stands for antigen binding fragment. Actually, antigen will get bind at this region. Suppose this is your antibody. Here is the binding of antigen. It is antigen, and here this is the antibody. So antibody can bind at a time with the two antigens. So normally antibodies are bivalent. Yes. So this is the FAB portion, antigen binding fragment. Here FC fragment, crystallizable fragment. Why it is crystallizable? Because it gets crystallized upon the digestion with the pepsin, enzyme pepsin. Then next is this region of antibody is hinge region. It is the flexible region. It is called as hinge region. At the hinge region, all of you know that as it is polypeptide chain, antibody polypeptide आहे, म्हणजे obviously it contains sulfur containing amino acid, आणि दोन sulfur containing amino acid एकमेकाला disulfide linkages ने bind होतात. So here there is presence of two disulfide linkages like this. In the hinge region, these heavy chains are linked by a disulfide linkage. So that is one disulfide linkage. Here these regions on the antibody are divided into different types. This depending upon the heavy chain and light chain, as well as depending upon the variable and constant region. There are formation of different domains. First domain is this domain. This domain is present in the on the light chain. It is your light chain. It is your light chain. This one is the heavy chain. ही तुमची heavy chain आहे, ही पण heavy chain आहे. So the domain present on the light chain वर आहे, पण कुठे आहे तो variable region मध्ये. It is called as variable VL region. याला म्हणतात VL domain. VL म्हणजे काय, तर variable region मधला हा variable region आहे लेफ्ट साइडला, आणि लाईट चेन वर आहे व्हेरिएबल VL domain. हा डोमेन कुठला असेल मग, it is in the variable region but on the heavy chain, so it is the HL. Then next one is the this one. It is also HL, heavy chain वरील heavy chain, and VH. It is VH. Yes, VH म्हणजे variable region मधला heavy chain वरचा डोमेन, variable region मधला heavy chain वरचा region VH. Yes, VH, VL. It is also VL. हा पण light chain मधला variable region मधला region म्हणून हा VL. This one is the इकडून पुढचे जे येतात राईट हँड साईडला ते सगळे कॉन्स्टंट रिजन मधले. त्यामुळे ह्याला तुम्ही काय म्हणणार आहे, हा जो रिजन येईल हा कॉन्स्टंट रिजन मधला आहे. हा लाईट चेनवरचा CL, हा आहे तो पण CL. आणि ऑन द हेवी चेनवर 3 डोमेन असतात. एक आहे तो कॉन्स्टंट रिजन मध्ये, दुसरा आहे तो पण कॉन्स्टंट. हे जे 3 रिजन आहेत त्याला CH1, CH2 अँड CH3. लाईक दॅट कॉन्स्टंट रिजन मधला हेवी चेनवरचा पहिला, कॉन्स्टंट रिजन मधला हेवी चेनवरचा दुसरा आणि कॉन्स्टंट रिजन मधला हेवी चेन तिसरा. सो